Move into your own place. Own a huge one-bedroom condo in prestigious GLENORA Gates. A very modern open design with huge windows in the living room. There's a gorgeous island kitchen with an abundance of solid maple cabinets and upgraded appliances. Even a breakfast bar. Some other features include air conditioning, in-suite laundry, gleaming, hardwood flooring in the living room, huge high ceilings, and a generous master bedroom with a huge walk-in closet. This also has underground parking and is steps away from the Brewery District, the Ice District, and River Valley access, public transportation, and Grant McEwen University. This is move-in ready, and call it yours today for a great price. It even has an east-facing balcony overlooking the Brewery District. Steps from shopping. There's no need for a car at all in this property. Karen Stanko with RE/MAX. If you want more information about this beautiful GLENORA Gates property, 780-297-3132.